Of the 7.
Kyle Kuzma in 14 minutes, 9 points, a couple of rebounds, a couple of assists. Conley comes out. Conley comes out with 2 baskets.
And that time again, no communication on what they wanted to do with the high screen. That jumper.
After tonight, Lakers have 5 and 6 at home. Starting in a couple of nights, and Ingram nothing but net from mid-range.
He used his shoulder to get separation from all of it. He drained
the 17th time this year. At least 20 points after that basket. Valanciunas. At least 20 points after that basket. Valanciunas.
It's going to be on
Was it LeBron? Is it LeBron?
A little shove.
Well, they were both there. And LeBron came away a little angry, so it is on LBJ. 6-point game. Early third quarter. Ball out of bounds.
JaVale get that one. Power it up. Instead of that little big shot. Try to dunk the ball.
He's without his running mate to solve for the first time in years. And LeBron picks up another quick foul.
And it's 2 fouls in like 20 or less than 20.
Lakers down by 6. They trailed by as many as 11. They led by as many as 4. They're going downhill. LeBron got hit a no, once, twice, and it's McGee. So all of a sudden, the offensive glass being asserted by the Lakers.
Did a good job of put out there for JaVale to put home.
This is normally an offensive challenge team. Valanciunas. If you wanted to, Rab got away from everybody and scored with the left hand. Got away from everybody and scored with the left hand. Rab in the key. To the paint. +2 so far for the Memphis Grizzlies. Ingram, he's going to roll him in and then kick it out to LeBron.
Kuz has to be careful. He's got those 3 fouls.
Blocked by Valanciunas. Picked up by McGee. Blocked by Valanciunas again.
2 in a row for Valanciunas.
And Bradley at the other end, out of control. Tried to draw the 3rd foul on LeBron. Didn't do it. LeBron now down the middle and goes. Lob for McGee. Teams are even up at fast points. Lakers average about 8 more fast break points. A game than in the league. Bradley from the corner. That bowling balls on the ground. Rab and McGee.
Putting it home.
For LeBron, his 6th assist. For McGee, his 6th point. 3rd and final meeting between these two. Each team is one on the other's floor.
There, see, that time Kuz did it right. You got to slip screen that one. You have to slip screen because Valanciunas jumped out. Way too early. He hedged way too early. When he hedges like that, you don't wait for the screen. You just roll to the basket. You get a play just like he got.
You see LeBron.
You have to be able to read. And after you read, you have to react fast, because if you don't, what you read may not be there when you finally go.
Kuz's first game this year at Memphis on December the 8th. He had 20 points. Offensive rebound again goes to the Lakers. McGee. Perimeter movement. Kuzma down the middle. Kuzma all the way. The penetration and the foul. We got McGee again on the ground. Ivan, good energy so far here to begin this 3rd quarter. Kuzma gets behind his man. McGee finds him. Timeout, Memphis. For Brandon, that's 6 rebounds to go along with his 3 assists and all points. Here he comes. Down the middle he goes. Challenges, gets rejected. Here comes Memphis. Which Brown, here comes Memphis. Which Brown, here comes Memphis. Which speed is coming. Conley all the way. Conley rides it up. Conley rides it in.
You see how he kept Reggie Bullock on his hip? Not going too fast, but making sure Reggie couldn't get into any kind of position to contest that shot without foul.
Somebody look that up for me. Here is they're scrambling in the truck. Here is Noah. Bradley all the way. Avery Bradley scores.